How's it going today, YouTube? This is Joseph here once again. Continuing restoration work on the Chrysler 5th Avenue. As you can see here, the lens on this particular vehicle on the passenger side is got a bad nick in it. That's what it's supposed to look like over here. And over here in the box, we have a replacement projector housing for the passenger side with the proper lens cover. This is out of a 90 Landau that was pulled at a scrapyard. Got it off eBay. And they are identical on the 5th Avenue. The 5th Avenue, Salon, and Landau all have the same basic front body structure, but it's when you get to the rear end of the vehicle that things become a little different on the 5th Avenue, which is really nice. So we're going to try and find a socket that can go in on here to change this lens out. I'm thinking it'll just slide out when we pull the screws out. Otherwise we're going to have to go up underneath, and going up underneath is going to be quite the hassle. So we'll see what we can figure out here. Did you find one that works? I think so. That's a pretty good size screw. Trying to figure out, and it don't matter if you bust that lens more. I don't know if it slides out or if there's more sockets holding it in.
Go get the new one and see what it's like.
There's some bolts.
Yeah, that's just what you took out.
Should come right out. Some way or another, we'll figure it out. At least it's not as bad as side marker lights. Problem is there's a brace that goes in underneath here. It's for shock absorption. Just feeling around. So I'm going to show you on the video here for you guys that are watching on YouTube land. There's a brace that's right here for shock absorption. And you can see the cable running down right there going in. But I'm not quite sure. Whoa, there it goes. It was just stuck in there. Okay. Well, I guess it is that way then. That's good. It was just stuck. So,
Yeah, actually what happened was put my hand in there, lifted up from the back, and pulled it down.
So, go on ahead and grab the other one here. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be. We have a spare socket. I'm going to go on and change the bulbs out because that one looks pretty corroded. Just going ahead and I'm going to try not to touch the actual bulb, because if you touch the bulb, you can cause oxidation. spare socket that we can use on the car if we ever so need it. You can see that one's pretty dirty and corroded. I've been having issues with the turn signal on this car for a while, so I wanted to go on ahead and see if this improves the quality of the turn signal stock. I want to do things all at once, that way we don't have to come back in here and redo everything. And yes, the other one worked, but
Turn it over if you have to, make sure it's going the right way.
yep, you're right, this little notch. Here it's seated. And that's the busted one, so we need this one over here. Okay, so it goes back in place like so.
Lift it up from the back.
Goes in, and the sockets go in place. Oh yeah, that's looking a lot better already.
I'd start the other one before you set that one all the way in.
Yep, doing the elderly iron trick of start them all before you do them all. Whoops, socket fell off.
Apologize for the camera work, y'all.
You're good.
No, you ain't seen the video yet.
All right, so that's how you change that. We do have another issue that we're gonna have to probably have a mechanic take a look at, but the alternator has finally decided to stop working on us. I am noticing a color difference on the lens covers, but it's such a minor change that it's not really all that noticeable. But that's the way it's supposed to look, so that looks absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, well, we'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below.